Want to know which is better, Afterpay or Affirm? Let's compare. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll help you understand the differences between Afterpay and Affirm so you can pick the best buy now, pay later option for your needs. Afterpay splits your purchase into 4 equal, interest-free installments every 2 weeks, great for smaller, short-term payments. Affirm offers more flexible payment plans that can range from 3 to 36 months and may include interest depending on your creditworthiness and the retailer. Afterpay is easier to use for quick, smaller purchases without a credit check, while Affirm often requires a soft credit check and works better for larger purchases or longer repayment terms. Both services can impact your credit score differently, so check each one's terms before deciding. If you want fast, no-interest installments, Afterpay is great. If you need longer to pay and don't mind possible interest, Affirm might suit you better. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful financial guides. Thanks for watching.